Welcome to the heart of freshness, where nature's finest berries begin their journey to become the purest juice.
Every bottle of our juice starts here, in a facility built on a foundation of quality and precision.
Our process begins with the freshest strawberries, delivered daily from local, sustainable farms. Fresh from the farm.
From the truck to our production line, the transition is seamless and swift.
Before any strawberry enters our production line, it must pass a rigorous visual inspection. Quality first. We look for the perfect deep red color and uniform size, signs of a perfectly ripened berry. Only the best of the best will make it into our juice.
We also test for sweetness, measuring the natural sugar content to guarantee a delicious taste.
Once approved, the strawberries begin the first step of their transformation, a gentle cleansing bath. Now completely clean and prepped, the berries are ready for the next crucial step.
The berries are now ready to be crushed, releasing their vibrant color and juice. This rich, fragrant mash is the essence of the fruit, ready for juice extraction.
Now for the main event, extracting the pure, unadulterated juice.
Our technicians use precise pressure control to extract the maximum amount of juice without crushing the seeds.
Slowly and gently, the press squeezes the mash, separating the liquid gold from the solid pulp.
What emerges is pure strawberry juice, a perfect expression of the fruit.
The solid pulp, known as pomace, is automatically ejected from the press onto a separate conveyor. This nutrient-rich pomace is repurposed, completing our sustainable cycle.
To ensure safety and a stable shelf life, the juice is briefly heated in a process called pasteurization.
This is flash pasteurization, a quick heating and cooling process that kills any harmful microorganisms without affecting the taste.
Transcription. We use a regenerative heat exchanger, a highly efficient system that saves energy.
Precise temperature and time control is critical to preserving the juice's fresh flavor and nutritional value.
The pasteurized juice, now cooled, flows out of the unit through another pipe. With safety ensured, the juice enters a multi-stage filtration system to achieve a crystal clear appearance and silk. Our multi-stage filtration system ensures a perfectly smooth and consistent product every time.
The difference is clear. Pure, beautiful juice, ready for bottling.
The filtered juice is collected in a final, large, sterile holding tank, ready for bottling.
But first,
One final and comprehensive quality control check.
We test for color, clarity, and nutrient content, ensuring it meets our exacting standards. Transcription. Our sensory panel, composed of trained tasting experts, gives the final approval on flavor. With the final approval given, our pure strawberry juice is ready to be bottled.
The filled bottles move down the line to a capping machine. Immediately after filling, the bottles are sealed to lock in the freshness. An airtight seal protects the juice from oxygen, preserving its flavor and extending its shelf life.
The capped bottles move towards the labeling machine. Now it's time to give our bottles their identity.
Our signature.
Bottles are checked for label placement, and a batch code is printed on each one for traceability. Each bottle is given a unique code.
Ready for their journey to you. From our factory to your local store.
Not need snipples. The pallet of juice is wrapped for stability and transported by a forklift to the warehouse. Stored and a journey that starts in nature and ends in your hands.
From our family to yours, a taste of pure, simple goodness.
Pure strawberry juice. Nothing added, nothing taken away. Just the pure taste of nature.